up, guys? Today we're gonna vacuum the basement water, and what I'm gonna do is gonna take out the vacuum, and I got my camera here. This is my first time taking a full maintenance guy video, so we're gonna do some here. Okay. Suction hose. Alright, it's time to reveal the unveiling. Oh. Woo! That looks good. That's what I call. Hope you guys can see. Nice chocolate milk right there. Hose. I got this nice hose. It's It's like a 3-inch vacuum hose. Typically kind of like the ones they use for pumping out toilets, but I use this for my vacuum. And I absolutely love it. It's like pretty much pumps up anything or vacuums anything. So if I can get it just to get the hose to wind back up, it's kind of tricky. I think we got it. So now it's ready for me to pull it off for the next time when I need to vacuum up after a storm. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for our next one where we clean out all the gutters from the roof. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put it in the chat below. Thank you very much.